welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kelly. I am a fashion reseller, so I make a lot of videos about reselling clothing online on different various platforms, what sold videos, haul videos, thrift haul videos. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean vintage Coach handbags. Now I actually made a video prior to this on how I clean my vintage Coach handbags, and that was just a very easy, simple way without doing anything that's majorly time consuming. Today I'm going to show you guys another method on how to clean vintage Coach handbags. So if that is something that you are interested in, just keep watching. So I have these two beautiful vintage Coach chocolate brown handbags. Here's the first one. Does have some wear. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that. Does have some wear right there. And then this one just has a lot of scratching, which is natural. It's actually pretty clean inside. But I'm going to go through a step-by-step process on how to clean the outside and the inside. Let's get started.
So you can use Dawn dish soap or you can use detergent. I decided to use Dawn dish soap, and I have some warm soapy water, and I am fully submerging the Coach handbag into the water. It was a little difficult at first, but I was able to get it fully in there and fully wet. So I ended up turning it inside out and placing it on a dry towel, and each day I will come back and forth checking on it. It took 3 full days to dry, and it turned out very well, very clean. It looks very nice, kind of brightened the overall appearance of the handbag, which I really liked. So it turned out very well, very happy with the results. Next, I'm going to use this Cadillac leather lotion. I love this lotion, and it worked very well. Everything turned out very well, and it really conditioned the bag and made it look much better. Its external appearance looked much better. So I love that leather lotion. And just showing you the inside of the bag, how it looks. It's very clean. So next we are going to move on to this handbag. I love this handbag, a beautiful chocolate carry, like kind of like a suitcase style bag or a hobo style bag. I absolutely love this bag. I'm not going to soak this bag because it's really not bad at all. I'm just going to hit it with that Cadillac leather lotion that I absolutely love using. Okay, now I am going to get rid of those little fuzzies that you see at the top of the handbag. It's super easy. What I do is I use this lighter, and you got to be careful because this usually only works with leather. So make sure your handbag is leather. I've never tried it on any other materials or fabrics, but just hold it as closely as possible to those little fray pieces that you see, and eventually they kind of just burn down and go away like you're seeing now. Okay, so this bag is looking a whole lot better. We're not seeing any of those frayed pieces anymore, and voila, this bag is done. It is clean, it is shining, and it is all ready to go and find a new home. So, like I said before, I could not find the exact style of this handbag, but if you do know the name, comment below and let me know what the name of this particular style is. Okay, so both of these handbags are done. They look beautiful. They are ready to find a new home. If you guys found this video helpful at all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, share it if you think someone else will find it helpful, and I'll see you next time.